What is up, everybody? Crypto Richie here again, and everybody is talking about staking VVS on the new crypto DeFi wallet. But let's face it, how the heck do you do it? So I've spent most of the day today. We are going to jump into the. We're going to jump into it right now. Show you guys how to stake VVS. You guys obviously need the DeFi wallet through Crow. I'm just going to assume that you guys have already done that. If you guys need me to make a video on how to download it, it's easy. Just go to whatever, whether it's iOS or Android, and just download the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Now, once you do that, I'm going to show you guys how to get your stuff. I'm just going to show you how to get it from Crypto.com into the wallet. It's fairly easy that way, but if you have VVS on any platform, you just send it to the wallet like you normally would. And again, as you guys know, we're going to start posting it up right here live, so you guys are going to watch me do it while it's on screen, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It is fairly easy. There's just one step that's always missing that really confuses people. So let's get into it. First, obviously, you are going to want to jump into, let's go ahead and jump into our DeFi wallet, okay? Not going to show you guys my password, that's for sure. So what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to come to receive. Now remember, this is a wallet, so it's going to be the same address regardless. But you guys can go in here and you can hit search and you can type in VVS. There it is, token. And you're just going to hit copy. Now we're going to leave that there and we're just going to jump right on over to Crypto.com. Oh, that was easy. A little faster than it usually is. We're going to go back to the home screen. This is right where you jump in here. So we're going to go to accounts. We're going to go to track. And we're going to go ahead and look up VVS. So I'm assuming at this point you have it. If you don't have it, just go ahead and hit that blue buy button. Buy it however you want, whether it's through your wallet or through crypto. That's up to you. But once you have bought it, we are going to hit this button here. We are going to go ahead and transfer. And we are going to withdraw. Now here's the thing, guys. You can hit the Crypto.com wallet. Obviously that's what you want to do. But once you look it up, you're going to find out that VVS does not currently work, which is fine. Don't freak out. Just go ahead and cancel, hit that X, and then go back over here and hit transfer again. Withdraw. This time we're going to go to an external wallet. That's it. Now I've already saved mine in here. If you haven't, just go ahead and add the button, hit wallet address. Go ahead and paste it in here. Hit the wrong button. Go ahead and paste it in here. So all my phone does is go off all day, people. Good Lord. And then name the wallet, etc. But since I already have mine in here, we're just going to hit withdraw. This is where you put the money in and then you send it. Now it's the waiting game, and eventually it's going to get back over here. So once it does, get my password in here once again. We are going to back out of here. And then once you get into the main wallet, you're going to have your VVS here. Now, the one thing you're going to have to do also is you're going to have to send Crow over to this wallet. Do that exactly the same way. Exactly the same steps. So the two things you're going to want in your wallet is Crow and VVS. Once you have done that, we're going to scroll down, and right below this blue earn up to 800, whatever. Below that, you're going to see bridge through chains. Migrate assets to Chronos. We're going to tap that. Here it is. So right now it's from crypto.org to the Chronos beta. We are going to add Crow over there, how much ever you want. 5 or 10 Crow is all you're going to need. I just put 10 in there. And then you're going to transfer that Crow by hitting the transfer button. There may be, I don't remember, but there may be like an approve button. You're going to have to spend like 0.29 Crow. Just do it. Now, once you are done with that, might have to give it a minute. You're going to want to go ahead and DApps. That top one is going to be VVS Finance. Now before, you would not have had Crow in VVS Finance. Now VVS Finance will see your VVS. You do not have to send anything other than Crow over here. So once you guys do this, you're going to go all the way down right here. Do you see be a VVS miner? You're going to go ahead and hit stake VVS. Then when you go down here, you guys are going to see that I already have roughly 3.1 million in here. Right where that 3.1 and the plus is, you're going to have approve. You're going to hit that approve, And then now that you have Crow inside of your VVS Finance, you're going to be able to go ahead and hit next, and then you're good. Give it a couple minutes, and then you're going to be able to see the minus and plus. Just go ahead and hit stake and put your VVS in here. Literally, that's it. So the one step that everyone's missing is this right here, through bridge through chains. Once you do that, you are actually sending it into the Chronos beta. So that way VVS.finance can see it. That is the step that most people are moving. Now, once you go back into here, once you go into, let's start back over from the beginning. You can also wrap and BNB and some other things. This, when you see that start earning, this is going to be your wrap finances. But if you guys look, the APY is, or the APR is not that great. So I highly recommend you guys just going all the way down to the bottom and hitting that stake and doing it there. As you can see, this is like 2,000%. So that is how you do it. Right now it's actually almost 2,700%. So that is how you stake VVS on VVS Finance through your Crow DeFi wallet. Like I said, it's just that one step that most people are missing. So hopefully this helps you guys. I hope it does. If you like this video, if you didn't like this video, if you have any other questions, go ahead and comment below. You guys know you can always find me on TikTok. That's where I'm the biggest, is on TikTok. So come hang out with me in the mornings up there. If you also would, like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I will catch you on the other one. Y'all have a good day.